I want more. I want more.
I am so proud. I finally have my own invention, the waffle steak. Times are, well, everybody's talking about, but you know, it's January, February, holidays are over. These are, if you live north of the equator, it's kind of like depressing times. This is not great, this is not good. It's raining, it's cold, it's wet, there's nothing to do. You can't have a party at these times. So you gotta make fun. You gotta like invent fun. You gotta reinvent like having like fun. So I went in the kitchen and I pimped the lunch. Yes, I pimped the lunch with the kids. We just went crazy. We went all in. And that's kind of how I came up with this pimped lunch idea. Pimp my steak! And I'm talking about waffles, baby. Waffles, waffles, waffles. There's like a whole episode of the Teen Titans where they only say waffles. So when I say waffles to my kids, just say waffles to your kids. If they watch Teen Titans, just say waffles one time and see what happens.
Waffles, waffles, waffles.
And how did that happen? Well, like I said, we're just having fun in the kitchen. And since I bought a waffle iron for the kids and I found out you can use this for more than just waffles. It makes amazing eggs, amazing cheese sandwiches, grilled cheese sandwiches, and basic. It's an electric grill. It's like an electric grill since we're a barbecue channel anyway. Of course, we got our smoker in the back, which we're going to be using while cooking, but hey man, this is like the future of this channel, Marcin. Can you waffle it? So I went to the store and I got a bunch of meat because I like steaks and I like to, well, this time we're not just going to put on the steak because then, you know, it doesn't make any sense. But I'm going to make a waffle steak that I hope is going to blow my mind and hopefully yours as well. So let's fire up our meat grinder and get started making that waffle steak. Cut the chuck into cubes and grind it up. We're looking for an 80-20 meat to fat ratio. Add an egg, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of your favorite seasoning, in my case that's garam masala, and half a tablespoon of fine salt. Mix it all together with your hands and really get to work on it, so you get a nice smooth paste-like consistency. Inventing things like a waffle steak is super fun, but the fun part also is that you don't really know how it's going to turn out. Is it going to work? Is it going to fail? Is it going to be good? Is it going to be amazing and you're never ever going to do anything else? Just eat waffle steaks all your life? The Waffle Steakhouse. Hey, you heard it here first, and my idea. Patent it. I need a patent for the Waffle Steakhouse thing. 250 local waffle steakhouse shops delivered at your doorstep, Deliveroo. Make a note, we're coming. Going to take a big bowl of our minced meat. We're going to put it in. I think it's going to need a little help. That's what I'm thinking. It's like it's going to need some little assistance. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm spreading it out. Let's close the lid and lock it in place. And now we're just going to let this cook. Woo! Oh! 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 Oh, this is going to be good. Look at the thing steaming. How did we not come up with this before? Like, why I'm just thinking of this now? Quick, quick, quick. In between peak. Ooh, not bad at all.
The weird thing is, the herbs, they're giving like a sweet aroma.
Yeah. We could put maple syrup on this, no problem. And while we're waiting for the steak to be cooked, I already fired up our Burnhard smoker because I want to make a proper lunch sandwich out of this. Ooh-wee! We got the dents and all, and it's shrinking now. It's shrinking. I think we got to take it out, Marcin. What do you think? You know, like when a burger gets grilled, it starts shrinking, and that's what's happening right now. So it's kind of like already popping out of the shape. And I think we just got to take it out before it starts like destroy itself and rupture, and I don't know. It's like this is experimenting, but whoa! Look at that! What? our own steak waffle. Look at that. This is like a burger on steroids. When you're an inventor, you gotta be a little bit of fool of yourself, yeah? You gotta think that you're the only amazing one on the planet, otherwise you can never get behind your inventions. I got my dog to back me up because everything I make, she eats, so like if the dog walks away, then you know it's not good. But this is not where the story ends. Let's start working on our sandwich. We're gonna toast our bread on the Burnhard smoker, so I set it to high temperature. Then when it starts to get crispy, I'm putting some cheese on to melt. Cut up a tomato, perhaps some lettuce. And now it's time to build our sandwich. And that's how you're supposed to have fun. You just make something, cook something up, have some fun, and forget about the rules and forget about what you're supposed to be doing. Just try new things. Use your waffle iron. Oh boy, this is gonna be good lunch. Are you hungry?
I wasn't even hungry, but this, you keep on amazing me. This is insane. Well, I'll tell you what I first thought when you told me the first time. I was in the supermarket and Roel called me and he said, I want to make a steak in a waffle iron. And I was like, yeah, sure. So I'll keep doing my groceries, keep on doing what I did at that moment. And I wasn't thinking much of it. And then when I saw it open for the first time and I saw a perfectly shaped steak, burger, steak thing in a perfectly shaped waffle, I have no words for that. That's insanity, but also it's genius. It's just plain genius.
Crunchy, juicy, cheesy. Smells good, doesn't it?
You told the people to use your favorite barbecue rub, but the one you used, that's a really insane addition to this whole recipe.
I like this, Morrison. Can we make more lunch videos?
Or can we make more? Can we also make chicken with the waffle iron? I want more. I'm in love with the waffles.
Your kids could cook you a meal on the waffle iron safely and have a lot of fun while doing it. Think about that. Just you gotta get mom to clean it up afterwards. That's the only problem.
I want another piece. I think it's a good idea to finish it, right?
It's lunch.
It's lunch.
It's lunchtime.
There's cheese on it, it's perfect.
And the weirdest thing is the sun is shining. I feel the spring is coming.
It's coming.
I think our brisket is almost done. We're eating brisket for dinner. Oh yeah. That's how we roll, man. People don't know this shit. But we roll big time. Take waffles for lunch, brisket for dinner. That's how we do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a big thumbs up and a comment down below.
Hope to see you guys next time.
Until then, eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
Big thank you to our patrons and YouTube members. See you guys. Poo-poo, out.